Welcome to this video, and we're looking at this program, which is the temperature program. And what I want to show you in this video is how to complete this document. And this document you've not seen before. It's a document that we use a lot in computer science, and basically it is a written document, a plan of what we're going to do in a computing project. What's the sort of background? What are the success criterias? Okay, and I've actually taken some parts out of it, but it goes through. If you're interested in GCSE computing, for instance, it goes through things like what would your flow chart for your code be? How would you test your program? How would you evaluate it against success criteria, and so on. And I've just done a mini one just to make this a bit more realistic. Okay, so this video is looking at the success criteria. Okay, you've been given the initial statement, okay, which is basically Matt, site manager, is going to he needs to check the temperature in each classroom and building, make sure it's comfortable for staff and pupils. Okay, so if when he's going around the site, if he presses the Microbit, it takes a temperature and it will display the temperature and also give him a possible warning. Okay, and that's what this is summarizing. And what the success criteria is saying, okay, so I understand the sort of background, but to make a successful project, okay, what are the 2, 3, 4, 5 things that need to be outlined from the start? Okay, before you start programming, what makes a successful program? Okay, so I'm going to give you a few ideas about what you could write here. Well, the first thing is I always think of it as if the user, or in this case Matt, has got the program in his hand. Well, first of all, it's got to be mobile, so it can't be too heavy. You can't take a computer with them, so it's got to be fully mobile. And what that means is you can carry it around, and easy to operate. Okay, easy to operate. We're not worrying about coding, we're just worrying about the impact, okay, of the program you're going to write. So be fully mobile and easy to operate. There also, I suppose, when he runs it, he doesn't want to have any errors, does he? So things like there must be no errors, okay, in the program over a length of time. Yeah, so he doesn't want a program that works for 3 or 4 minutes, but then it just sort of starts going wrong. So he wants it to be sort of robust, isn't he? Now, the next thing is, you can decide this yourself, but I'm going to use for this. I'm going to use a success criteria that if he presses a single click of the A button, so that's the button on the left on the Microbit, okay, will allow him to take the temperature. Okay, it's fine. Sorry, not fine. Capture, take the temperature. Okay, and display it, because on the Microbit it's got a temperature sensor, and display a number, e.g. 17, okay, which is going to be Celsius. It works in Celsius. Now, I'm not going to type the next bit, but I'm sort of going to talk through it. So for the fourth one, what you could say is something like a single click of the B button will check whether that is that temperature that you've just taken is okay, so it's between 16 and 26, or it's too hot or too cold, and it might give a cross. Okay, so maybe one of the next success criteria you do is to do that. So what I want you to do is get that written down, okay, and this will form the basis of your program. And it also, if we go down, will help you with your testing, okay, because you're going to test these. You can test against the success criteria and also then evaluate against the success criteria. Does it do the things that you set out it to do? Okay, so have a go at that. Make sure your spag's really good, and save that into your 8B area. Alright, okay, well, good luck with that.